So guys, the Ofe Akwu is ready. Is ready. Oh my god. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is your girl franciscadesupermum. So today I'll be preparing a Banga soup, Ofe Akwu. Hey, it's been long I ate it, so today I decided I have to make it. Yes, I want to eat it. So this is extract from palm nuts. I'll be using it. Is the extract from palm nuts. I'll be using two because we are many here, so I'll be using two tins. And in here I have shaki, bomo, and goat meat. So I'll be using them for this my special Banga soup. This is the stock from the meat, and this is grounded crayfish. I like washing my crayfish, so this is blended crayfish. I added little water to blend it, and here is my chow scent leaf. You know, there's no how you cook Banga soup without scent leaf. So this scent, though is dried one, I got it from Nigeria when I traveled to Nigeria. So this is dry scent leaf. The sun is too much today. I hope you'll see it clearly. So in here I have curry powder, nut cube, star cube, pepper, and salt. So this one is my ozoza seed. I like ozoza seed so much, so I like the scent, so I'll be adding it. It's optional, you can choose not to if you are cooking yours. So but I like the taste. This one is ogiri. You know, there's no how you cook Banga soup without ogiri. So this is ogiri. I got it from Nigeria. It has been in the freezer. So this is ogiri. I'm so happy I'm going to eat this today. And this one is stockfish, yeah, and the dry fish. So I have stockfish and dry fish here. So guys, let me now start cooking. So guys, my pot is ready. So let me start by adding this one. So guys, I'll be adding the meat stock. Don't add too much water if you know you don't want it to be watery. Like if you want it to be thick, you add little. Then crayfish, blended crayfish, nut cube, star cube. I have to put all the pepper is okay, salt, everything, curry, then ozoza seed, stockfish and dry fish, then turn it to put my ogiri local maggi so that it will start working. Hey, then we'll have to leave it to cook for a while before I'll add meat. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god. So guys, I'll be adding meat. It's already cooked. It's cooked meat, though you know that. Then leaf, scent leaf. Ciao. Ciao, come and do your work. Ciao. Guys, you need to try this. You really need to try this. You need to try this. So you need to cook this banga soup. I can't wait to taste it. Like, the smell of the ogri. Ogri. So much like ogri. Local maggi. I like it so much. Okay, I have to leave it now to cook for some minutes again. Then I'll come back to check. See, the water has reduced. So if you still want it to be thicker, you continue to cook it. So guys, the Ofe Akwu is ready. Is ready. Oh my god, this is nice. You can enjoy this with your semo or with rice. I prefer rice. Oh my god, if I've not tried it with rice, please try it. So nice with rice. So nice. Thank you so much for watching me to this point, and may God bless you.